Que sean felices, que a pesar de los problemas continúen siendo felices, que sonrían siempre.
The love that our family shares one for each other.
Superen sus miedos.
Probably the most important thing about Valentine's Day is commitment, a love that goes the distance.
We just entered a new millennium. So many people, so many languages, so many cultures, so much beauty. Isn't it the perfect time for us to rise into a new day, where we live together in perfect harmony, overcoming the perceived differences and feeling the similarities between us, understanding that we are here together on this planet. And there's enough for everyone. All we have to do is understand and carry on together. Carry on as what we are, human beings. Don't we feel the same when we hear a baby laugh? Smell a rose from a beloved, or walk in the rain? We are all made of the same magic called life. Let us step together into a new earth.